Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Nikki, and she's coming today for a I'm just start laughing at my brush, honestly, disgusting. She's coming today for a redesign. So I removed her previous design and now we're going in with her new design. So here I'm using a new one from CJP. It's pineapple fizz. I think it's called pineapple fizz, or is it just pineapple? I think it's pineapple fizz. So I'm just going to do a full nail of that. So yeah, the brush I'm using is the Glitterplanet magic stick, and I told you before that I must work mega sticky because it kept going really sticky. And then I just started to file it. I used an actual hand file and was trying to file the stickiness off. And then I've put a little bit of acrylic over it as well, and look at the state of it. I swear it doesn't look that bad in real life. But anyway, whatever, it is what it is. I've got about 5 more brushes, but I still am drawn to this one, always am. I'm just going to have to buy a new one, and so onto the middle finger, it's going to be, I don't think this is one of their new colours, but it's new to me. It is Opium Noir. I just had to ask Lewis how you say that. Lewis is he's an admin in the group that I help run, and he's always good at words and stuff. So I was like, I don't want to look like a fool, how do you say? And he said it's French for something black. I can't remember off the top of my head, but Opium Noir, and it's just the most stunning shimmery blue. I love shimmery blue. I'm so drawn to it this time of year. I don't know why. It just applies so nicely as well, which is always a bonus. So this set was inspired by Holly Willoughby's outfit on the new M&S advert. Have you seen it? So she has it's like a dark blue sort of like is it checkered? I think it's like a checkered sort of dark blue and red skirt. We didn't use red, but it's like a dark rich blue, and then her top was a mustard colour. So we've gone for that sort of design. So now I'm just using those two colours, and I'm going to blend them together in like my liney marble. It's quite tricky with these two colours, but we got there in the end. I've sped this part up because otherwise I'll be faffing around forever. And then I add a little bit of hotline bling from Glitterplanet, just to, break it up a little bit. And as I've said many times before, what is a set of nails without a little bit of glitter? So then on the pointer finger, it's just going to be a full nail of hotline bling. I forgot to press record. I don't know why, but I did. I forgot to press record on when I was putting a little bit on the ring finger and the pointer. But I've got a little surprise. Well, not a surprise, a little treat for you. I'll leave the other hand. I've left the other hand in this time. It's the same design, but just switched up the colours. So the thumb obviously will be the blue. So I've left that in for you. I have sped it up quite a lot, but it's in for you to watch. So I hope you enjoy that. I'll just leave you to watch that in silence because I don't like any of you to listen to any awful music. So that's that all done. That was me just capping them all in crystal glass. I filed them, shaped them, removed all the dust, and now we're going in with top coat. So I'm using CJP tack free top gloss and just applying a nice layer of that over all the nails. She'll cure it in my lamp for a full 60 seconds. I'll apply my amazing Naff Stuff cuticle oil. I think she went for everyone's going for either cherry or cinnamon apple, and I think she went for cherry. I'm not sure, but they have cherry and all the other colour, all the other flavours back in stock, so make sure you go and check those out, and definitely order the cinnamon apple one for Christmas. Your clients will love it. Get them in the Christmas spirit. And you can use my code Tracy10, which will give you 10% off your order. I've even left the other hand in. Really treating you guys today, aren't I? So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not really subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.